everyone, welcome to our Hard Deco episode. Today we are doing an unboxing and a tutorial of our 4.5 liter air fryer, available online at www.harddeco.co.za. Okay, so we're going to start by opening up the box, and then immediately you will see your instruction manual. Please read this, it is very important. And then we're going to remove this foam, and then here you have the beautiful air fryer. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly remove the plastic so that you can see. Last bit is this little grill plate. So the first thing you want to notice is the plug. It is suitable for a hairdryer 2-point plug or any flat 2-point plug. In this tutorial, I'm going to be using the flat 2-point plug. Okay, so now that it is all plugged in, we are going to read through our instruction manual. And then we are also going to have a look at what is written on the top of the unit. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It's going to show you exactly how many minutes and what degree you have to cook your food for it to come out crispy, perfect, and delicious. Let's put on the unit. And then after putting it on, you will see a few settings come up. You will see chips, meat, and then on the right side will be nuts and pizza. So you can press any of these to automatically quick start your process of making food. So if you're making like a beefy kind of food, we'll just press on meat and just wait a few seconds for it to start, and then it will start cooking. Okay, I'm going to show you how to manually set your settings. So when it's in the top, you want to make any of the settings here at the top, you can actually do that. Okay, so we're just going to put it on again. And then we are going to select chips, and then I'm just going to adjust the temperature to 200, and I'm going to set the time for, let's say, about 40 minutes. And then again, you just wait for it to start, and then this is the manual setting. This is how you manually set. So you just select an option, you select the degree and the timing that you want to set it. If you feel like you want to cancel the operation, you just hold in the start-stop button. Just like that. Keep your food warm. I'm just going to show you the process for that. We're going to start up again, and then if you are looking at just keeping your food warm for about 2 hours, you're just going to press warm, leave it just like that. It's going to be kept warm for 2 hours, and then it will be perfectly crispy. Okay, so now that you know how to actually set the timing, how to start cooking, let me just show you the tray and then advise you how to make the rest of the food. So right here you have the tray, you just pop it out. It is non-stick, so please make sure that you don't go with your scrub and scrub it. Otherwise the non-stick will lift and you will be very sad. Okay, so depending on what kind of food you want to make, maybe you can just place your veggies in here with a little bit of oil. We do suggest not using oil because it is a non-stick already, and then to be healthier, it would be great if you didn't use oil. So you can just add your veggies in here and then pop it right into the lid again. Place your settings and start cooking, or you can use this tray for like meats. So you can put your chicken, your beef, shrimp, any seafood you can put onto the tray so that it also gets a little bit of heat from the bottom so that it cooks all around. Now, very important is to at least open up the tray every 5 to 10 minutes just to make sure that your food isn't actually burning. The first time I ever used the air fryer, I didn't even know how many minutes I had to cook the veggies, and it actually burnt. Tweet, tweet. So these are just a few tips that I need you to know about the air fryer. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see more of these.